partial derivative of the function f of xyz is equal to e to the power 1 minus x cos y plus xz e to the power minus 1 upon 1 plus y square with respect to x at the point 1 0 e is, let us write the function first. That is f of x, y and z is equal to e to the power minus 1 e to the power 1 minus x cos y plus x z e to the power minus 1 upon 1 plus y square. So this is the let us partial derivative this function, del of f upon del x is equal to, we know the derivative of e to the power x, which is nothing but e to the power x. Del by del x is e to the power x. So here also 1 minus x cos y, and we also derivate this function, which is nothing but minus cos y, and derivative of this function with respect to x is z e to the power minus 1 upon 1 plus y square, and if we put, we want to calculate, we want to find the value of this function at this point. So if I do this with 1 0 e, then we will put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, and z is equal to e to the power 1 minus x is 1, so, and cos 0 minus cos 0 plus z is e into e to the power 1 upon 1 plus y square, y is 0, so 1 upon 1, so e to the power minus 1 here, so these two will get cancelled, and we get e to the power 1 minus cos 0, cos 0 is 1, so e to the power 0 into minus cos 0, cos 0 is 1, so is minus 1 here plus 1 here, so we get e to the minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, so answer will be 0.